Department of Law Enforcement. How may I help you?
Yes, hi. How are you doing today?
I'm fine. I'm sorry. I hung up because I only heard silence on the other end.
Oh, okay. No, that's no problem. It happens.
Okay.
I would like to conduct a private citizen's investigation into illegal activity of a number of your of the Broward Sheriff's deputies.
Okay. Let me hold on.
Thank you.
I have to transfer you to Internal Affairs. Let me give you the number in case you get disconnected.
Okay.
954 321
Okay.
1100.
All right. Thank you.
Okay? Sure.
1,000 prisoners daily. Your call is important to us. A representative will be with you in a moment.
Broward Sheriff's Office, Internal Affairs. This is Ellie.
Yes, Ellie. How are you doing today?
Okay.
Good. My name is Eddie Banks, and at this point I am trying to gather all documents, videotape in regards to an incident with the Broward Sheriff, with a number of Broward Sheriff's departments. Could you tell me what your procedure is for conducting a private investigation to obtain this material under the Freedom of Information Act?
Is this in regard to a case that's already closed?
Yes.
You are the complainant?
Correct.
Do you happen to have the case number that it was investigated under?
No, it's been a while. The Internal Affairs officer defaulted in his obligation. He stated he was going to provide me with a CD disc of videotapes and other documents, and I made a number of calls to him, and he just never got back to me. So I'm trying to recover that loss and lack of communication.
What's your last name again?
Banks.
Okay, was this, see something. Was this a case against a Fort Lauderdale police officer?
Initially, and that was the leading act that led to the beating of my person by 3 other sheriff's deputies. That was in the beginning of the year, January 5th of this year. And a second incident is where the sheriffs came out and evicted me from property, confiscated all of my documents, and gave possession of my property to another individual without warrant or any other.
So you're looking for copies of the investigation?
Yeah, anything that you have.
Okay, let me transfer you to the person that would handle that.
Thank you.
As well as for the Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport and Port Everglades. The Broward Sheriff's Office is responsible for the local jail system that keeps criminals behind bars. BSO operates one of the largest nationally accredited local jail systems in the nation, booking nearly 70,000 inmates each year into 5 county jails and holding more than 5,000 prisoners daily. Your call is important to us. A representative will be with you in a moment. BSO's Department of Community Control operates a specialized mental health treatment unit providing psychiatric services to inmates. The pretrial release program monitors nonviolent offenders while they await trial at home, thus freeing up beds for more serious offenders. For more information about the Broward Sheriff's Office, please visit our website at
sir?
Yes.
Mr. Banks? Oh, okay. Here's what we need to do. I just spoke with the records custodian, and she advised me that we would need your request in writing,
Okay.
and then they would provide the information to you. So if you like, I can give you our address or a fax number. You could fax us the request.
Sure, please.
The fax number is 954
Mhm.
327
Thank you.
3911.
Okay.
And reference this number. It's PII
Okay.
PII-12
Okay.
-0016.
All right.
That's
Wonderful.
that's the case number.
All right. Wonderful. And that's just for the incident of the January incident, correct?
Let me see. What was the incident? Yes, January 4th, 2012.
Okay. So what would I need to do to get information in regards to May 7th incident?
I don't have that incident.
Okay. So what would I need to do to initiate an investigation on that date, for that date?
Did you ever make a complaint on that date? Regarding that date?
No, I didn't. I attempted to in court, but the court engaged in fraud to hinder my my activity. So I guess I would have to go directly and file a complaint with your office.
Okay. Did you want to do that by phone, or did you want
Yes,
to come into
please.
the office?
No, I can do it by phone.
All right. Hold on. I'll connect you with the person who handles complaints.
All right. Thank you.
Investigative functions in the areas of homicide,
Internal Affairs. Good afternoon. Good morning. This is Mrs. Rodriguez.
Yes, I would like to initiate a complaint.
Okay. I will take your complaint. I need your name and phone number, please.
Eddie Banks. It's 954-822-5539.
5539.
Correct.
And who is the complaint against?
I don't know the officer's name. The incident happened on May 7th and May 9th. I believe.
Of this year?
Yes.
And where did the incident occur?
47th Court, where the Broward Sheriff's deputies evicted me from private property. And
okay, I need a city at least.
Okay, Oakland Park. I'm sorry.
And what is your mailing address?
It's general delivery, Fort Lauderdale, Florida.
Well, what is that general delivery?
It's where I receive business mail.
Okay, and what's the rest of it?
Fort Lauderdale, Florida, 33310.
So that's how it's addressed?
Correct.
No number, no box number?
Correct. It's outside of the normal jurisdiction you're accustomed to dealing with.
Okay, well, we're going to need to correspond with you. That's why I'm asking.
Okay, well, I receive bank statements and other mail there. I will be able to receive correspondence there.
1 second.
Thank you.
And you don't have the name of the person you're complaining about?
No. Well, the arresting.
So you were arrested?
Yes. Gordon Mitchell.
What's your date of birth?
3173.
And your complaint is against the arresting officer?
It's for all of the officers that were involved with the criminal act and trespass.
What criminal act?
Trespass and removal of my person and my property from that private residence.
Okay, I don't follow you. Your complaint is that they trespassed on your property?
Correct.
And where was your property at the time?
It was 46 Court, 371 or 381. I can't remember the house number at the time, or at this time.
Well, what's the rest of it?
Oakland Park, Florida.
And they trespassed on that property?
Correct. You can type.
And arrested you?
Correct. The video is just type in BSO gang in action, and you'll see
What's that?
BSO gang in action, and you'll see a documented video, 6-video series of the event.
Okay. So what's the rest of your complaint?
Okay. They arrested me for trespassing. They took my deed and called it fraudulent, which it was certified by the Secretary of State, not adhering to the jurisdictional requirements of the Constitution. I asked the officers to uphold my property rights under the Constitution, and they flat out refused. So I need some information as to who these individuals are working for and what purpose and what gain did they receive by committing the fraudulent and illegal act against me.
Oh, you don't even have the officer's name.
Correct. So I'm trying to obtain that before because I'm gathering this information for the Federal Claims Court to lodge a complaint under.
Okay, I need you to hold on a second.
Thank you for calling the Broward County Sheriff's Office, the largest fully accredited sheriff's office in the nation. If this is an emergency, please hang up and dial 911. BSO's non-emergency number is 954-765-4321. Count backwards from 7, and you've got BSO's non-emergency number committed to memory. Non-emergency does not mean unimportant. Noisy neighbors, animal disturbances, and vandalism not in progress are examples of situations that need attention but do not need immediate law enforcement response. Please help ease the burden on 911 by calling BSO's non-emergency number. Please remain on the line. We appreciate your patience. A representative will assist you in a moment. When I became Broward Sheriff in September 2007, I instituted BSO's new agency credo, pride in service with integrity. The 6,000 employees of the Broward Sheriff's Office are committed to protecting and serving the citizens and visitors of Broward County, and they carry out their duties with great pride and integrity. Again, thank you for calling BSO. Someone will be with you shortly. The Broward Sheriff's Office runs the county jail system and oversees county probation, drug court, pretrial release, and the day reporting and reentry program. Our agency provides law enforcement exclusively in all of the county's unincorporated areas, 14 cities and towns that contract with the Broward Sheriff's Office, the Broward County Courthouse.
Oh, I don't know how you don't know when you were arrested. I don't show any arrests for
said
those dates that you gave me.
May 7th.
I'm sorry?
May 7th. Of this.
I don't show any arrests for that.
Okay, well, the video's there, so if you're going to deny that video...
No, I'm looking at my records for your arrest, and I don't show an arrest for that day.
Oh, so that's further fraud. Okay, I'll accept that. So I'd like to conduct a more intense investigation to deal with that issue. Since it doesn't show up in your records,
right,
gives me further cause of alarm of fraud on the department.
Okay. So aside from all of that, what other complaints do you have?
I think that's about it. I just
well, I'll forward your complaint to a lieutenant, one of the lieutenants here in Internal Affairs, and please wait for him or someone else to get in touch with you within 5 to 10 business days.
Wonderful. Thank you very much for your time.
Bye-bye now.
Bye-bye.